In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add annotations in Figma. Figma is a powerful design tool known for its collaborative features, and effectively using annotations is absolutely crucial for clear communication within your design projects. Annotations allow you to leave contextual notes directly on your designs, making it easy for collaborators to understand your intentions, ask questions, or provide specific feedback on particular elements. Mastering this simple yet powerful feature will significantly streamline your design workflow and improve the overall clarity of your project communication. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the comment tools within the Figma interface. These tools are conveniently located at the very bottom of your screen, typically within the central area of the lower toolbar. Look for an icon that usually represents a speech bubble or a similar symbol, clearly indicating its function for communication and feedback. Clicking this icon will activate the commenting mode, which is your gateway to adding various types of notes, including annotations, directly onto your design canvas. This action is a foundational step that prepares your workspace for focused feedback. It switches your cursor mode, allowing you to interact with your design specifically for the purpose of leaving notes, ensuring that your comments are distinct from other design actions and preventing accidental modifications while you're focused on collaboration. Once you've activated the comment tools, you'll then need to select the annotation option. This might appear as a distinct icon or as part of a drop-down menu, depending on your Figma interface and its current configuration. After selecting Annotation, your cursor will transform, indicating you're now ready to place an annotation anywhere on your design canvas. Simply click on the specific area where you wish to add your note. For instance, if you want to highlight a particular button, a text field, or an image, just click directly on or very near that specific element. A small text box will immediately pop up at the point where you clicked. This is where you will type your annotation. It's important to be clear, concise, and specific here. Consider what information your team members or stakeholders need to know. Are you explaining a design decision, pointing out a potential issue, or asking a question about a particular UI component? You can type your detailed feedback, ask a specific question, or provide context for a design element. For enhanced collaboration, you can even mention specific team members by using the @ symbol followed by their name, which will send them a direct notification. Once you've finished typing your note, simply click outside the text box or press Enter to save it. Your annotation will then appear as a visible marker on your design. Anyone viewing the file can click on it to read your full comment and even reply to it, fostering an interactive feedback loop. Remember, well-placed and clearly written annotations are crucial for avoiding misunderstandings and keeping your design process efficient and collaborative.